So, hi! Hi! So, let's have. I just bought the prices and so, let's open. So, yeah, we will be opening the Snacktacular Fun Bag of Twice. Yeah, kailangan natin i-document. Yan, o-open natin. So, yeah, we will be opening the Twice. The Wishes Snacktacular Fun Bag. Open it. So this is it. I got the pillows, sweet, the wishy, anghang, and the cheesy, and the koni. And I got the anghang, the red one, Gio and Momo. Yeah. See this. Bubuksan natin. Sino nakuha natin? I hope it's chewy. Let's see who it is. I got chewy. I'm so lucky. Thank you. That is my bias. Exactly. Wow. I'm so happy. I got chewy. And I got the twice fan. Wow. And the Geo ID something. And the Snacktacular Fun Meet scratch card. So yeah, manifesting to get into it. Wow, I'm so lucky. Thank you. I'm so lucky to be to get in the raffle. Hi, wishy. So I'm gonna eat the Twice Snacktacular Fun Bag. Yes!